What if Apple's next big product doesn't have a screen? What if it doesn't buzz, ping, or light up your wrist? What if it just sits quietly on your finger and knows more about your body than any device you've ever owned? Because according to fresh patent filings and early supply chain signals coming out of Asia, that product is already in development, and it could be priced at just $299. This is the Apple Ring, and this might be the most important thing Apple announces in 2026. Let's talk about what's actually leaking, because this goes far deeper than most people realize. Apple doesn't file patents casually. Every filing is a calculated signal, and right now, multiple overlapping patents are pointing toward a ring-form wearable that combines continuous biometric tracking with gesture-based device control. That combination alone is worth paying attention to. This isn't just another health gadget. This is Apple quietly building the foundation for an entirely new interaction model. One where your finger becomes the remote control for your entire digital life. Think about that for a second. No screen, no touch, no voice command. Just a small, precise finger movement, and your ecosystem responds. Your iPhone stays in your pocket. Your Mac doesn't need to be touched. Your Apple Vision Pro operates without a physical controller. That is not a small idea. That is a fundamental shift in how humans interface with technology. Now let's get into the specs and performance benchmarks, because the hardware story here is genuinely compelling. A ring sits flush against your skin in a way a watch simply cannot. That physical proximity matters enormously for sensor accuracy. When you're tracking heart rate variability, blood oxygen saturation, or skin temperature, even a millimeter of distance from your skin can introduce meaningful error into the data. Apple knows this, and if the leaked sensor array in these patents is real, the Apple Ring could deliver more precise, more consistent biometric readings than the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which currently retails at $799. Not because the Ring is more powerful in a traditional sense, but because continuous skin contact during sleep, during rest, during recovery gives it a data advantage no watch can match. And in health tech, consistency of data collection is everything. It is the difference between a snapshot and a full picture. This device, worn through the night and through the day, could become the most complete health dataset Apple has ever, built on a single user. That data, fed into Apple Intelligence and processed through Apple Health, could power truly personalized health insights in a way that feels less like a fitness tracker and more like having a cardiologist quietly monitoring you around the clock. That is a premium tech proposition. And it changes the investment calculation entirely, because here's where the price analysis gets really interesting. Early analyst estimates and supply chain sources are pointing to a launch price somewhere between $299 and $349. Let's call the realistic entry point $329. Now compare that to the Samsung Galaxy Ring, which launched at $399 with a subscription model. Compare it to the Oura Ring Gen 4, which starts at $349 and charges you $599 per month just to access your own health data. Apple's rumored pricing, with no subscription attached and full native integration across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Vision Pro, would represent serious upgrade value in this category. For existing Apple ecosystem users, the investment math is straightforward. You are not just buying a ring. You are buying a hardware key that unlocks deeper functionality across every device you already own. That is a compelling case for upgrade value, and it is precisely the kind of ecosystem lock-in Apple has always executed better than anyone else in the industry. Now let's talk about the Vision Pro angle, because this is where the Apple Ring stops, being a wearable story and becomes a platform story. The Apple Vision Pro launched at $3,499. It is a breathtaking piece of engineering, and it is also a device looking for its killer use case. Right now, hand tracking in Vision Pro is functional, but it requires deliberate gestures in open space. It demands attention and physical effort. A ring-based gesture controller changes that equation dramatically. Subtle, low-energy finger movements, detected by sensors sitting directly on the skin, could make Vision Pro control feel invisible and effortless in a way that current hand tracking simply does not. If Apple is designing the Ring as a companion input device for spatial computing, then the $329 Ring suddenly becomes essential hardware for a $3,499 device. That reframes its value completely. It is no longer a standalone wearable. It is the missing peripheral that makes Apple's most ambitious product actually usable in everyday life. And that is a much bigger story than step counting. So let's get to the verdict. Should you wait, or should you buy something now? If you are currently in the market for a smart ring and you are deep in the Apple ecosystem, the answer is clear. Wait. Do not spend $349 on an Oura Ring Gen 4 today when an Apple native solution with tighter ecosystem integration and potentially superior sensor accuracy could arrive at a comparable price point within 12 to 18 months. The performance benchmarks we are expecting, combined with the gesture control functionality and zero subscription fees, make the Apple Ring a significantly stronger investment than anything currently available in this category. If you are not an Apple user and you need a smart ring right now, the Samsung Galaxy Ring at $399 remains a solid choice with no subscription required. But if there is any chance you see yourself moving toward Apple devices in the next 2 years, patience here is the smarter financial decision. Here is the bottom line. The Apple Ring is not just about tracking your sleep or counting your steps. It is about what happens when technology stops demanding your constant attention and starts operating silently, intelligently, and invisibly in the background of your life. Every great Apple product has redefined a category. The iPhone redefined the phone. The AirPods redefined audio. The Apple Watch redefined the wrist. And if Apple executes this correctly, the Apple Ring could redefine something much more fundamental. It could redefine how we think about interacting with technology itself, not as something we look at, not as something we touch, but as something that simply knows us, responds to us, and works for us without ever getting in the way. That shift, if it happens, will not feel like a product launch. It will feel like a turning point. And right now, based on everything leaking out of Cupertino, that turning point looks closer than most people think. Now the question is yours. Would you make the switch to the Apple Ring from Samsung or Oura? And what single feature do you think Apple absolutely must include to make this the definitive smart ring for the widest possible audience? Drop your answer in the comments below because the best take might just end up in our next video. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, share this with someone who lives inside the Apple ecosystem, and subscribe so you never miss early coverage on premium tech that is actually worth your attention. I will see you in the next one.